Here's how to download voice clip from Messenger. So in this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest method on how you can download a voice clip from Messenger. So here, as you can see, there is no official way on how you can download it, but it's pretty simple. It doesn't matter if you're an Android or your iPhone device. So yeah, you simply need to go ahead and first turn on your screen recording, and I do have it turned on, but make sure that your microphone is turned off. My microphone is turned on because I'm recording at the same time. But yeah, you simply need to turn off your microphone and then just go to the chat that you want to download your voice message from or voice clip from. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this chat. Now, what you need to do is just simply play the whole voice message, just like how would you do normally to play it, and play it till the end. And once you play the voice message till the end and then turn off your screen recording, once your screen recording has been turned on, it says that screen recording has been saved to your photos or gallery. Once this is done, you simply need to go to your web browser. It could be Google Chrome or Safari. It actually doesn't matter. But yeah, you simply need to go to your web browser and type in video to MP3 converter. I'll show you video to MP3 converter, and just go ahead and press on that and it will show you a lot of free converters. So just go ahead and use a free converter and then choose the file that you recorded. So I'm just going to choose the file, and from device I'm just going to go photo library, and obviously you can just go ahead and choose it from your files as well. I'm just going to show you an example how this works. So yeah, this video right over here, if I press open, yeah, it might take a while for me, but let me choose other video real quick. Let me see now. So yeah, here we go. And here, as you can see, now I'm just gonna press convert. And here you go. Now it's uploading, and I can just, once it's uploaded, I'm just showing you for example, and then you can just download it and it will directly be saved into your photos or your gallery, whether depending on what device you're using. And here, as you can see, it's converted and done. Now you can just press download, and here you go, and you just simply press download after that. Yeah, here you are, downloads. Here you go. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can download voice clip from Messenger. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.